Help you?
What do you need?
I keep telling you. Everywhere you look, it's all one giant lava field. 25 feet solid rock. It'll take jackhammers to...
I don't need a lecture, goddammit. I get it.
No, you don't. But these people are hungry. Even if they had all their strength. It'll take them months to finish this job with picks and shovels.
I don't give a shit! We're all hungry, Al. But this job's gotta get done whether it takes all goddamn year. It's not like we got somewhere else to be now, do we?
Wait. Not finished.
We'll make it quick, will ya, Al? I got things to do.
Rippers. This morning, one of my men spotted a large group of them coming over the pass.
And no one stopped them?
How the Tucker, you know we're already spread thin.
Are they headed north? Al, are they headed towards us? Yes or no?
I don't know. Maybe he knows.
What the fuck are you up to now, huh? What's this about, huh?
Damn it, Al-Kai. It's not his job to know, it's your goddamn job to know.
I can't be at two places at one time. You either want me here, running your dig, or you want me out there in the shit, chasing the Rippers.
Go check the store, see how much ammo we got left. I'll tell Wheeler to watch the dig.
What are you looking at?
I don't know, just waiting for you to smarten the fuck up.
Don't! Did you track down Leon? Good thing someone around here knows how to make things happen. Ride with me. How long's it been since you found someone, brought him in?
The kind of people left out in the shit aren't the kind of people you want me bringing in.
We lost 2 more to the fever.
It's not my problem.
You want our food? I'm making it your problem.
I told you we'll do runs for you, but we're not joining your goddamn camp.
Remind me again, my old woman's memory. Why is that?
Because it's a waste of time, Tuck.
Well, aren't you the optimist? Where's Boozer?
He said he was gonna head over to Copeland's camp, see about trading for some fish.
You're not in bed with Cope now, are you? His camp near yours?
It's not closer or further. Look, I'm not Boozer's old lady. He goes where he wants. Jesus. You keep this shit burning all day and night.
Got a lot of freak corpses piling up out here. With men like you doing your jobs. Damn right we keep them burning.
Try using more gasoline. Burns faster, less fumes.
Like we got so much to spare? When it's all gone, what are you gonna put in that bike of yours? Spit and sweat? Now what the hell is going on here?
The count's off. Storage is missing food and some ammo.
Jesus. Who was on watch last night?
Wheeler,
Tonight, double the watch. This shit's starting to piss me off.
you got it.
Trouble in paradise.
It's like I was saying. Camp's like a prison. Bunch of goddamn lazy liars, thieves, rapists, and murderers. You know why that is?
No idea.
'Cause that's who we are. The freak show. Only folks survived were those mean enough, nasty enough to out-freak the freaks. The rest are here. Hoping I feed them, protect them, keep them nice and cozy and warm, so they can sit on their asses and watch the world end. You! Get your ass back to work. Don't make me go get Cyrus. Lazy sons of bitches can screw around all they like on their time. Daytime is my time. Running this camp is no different than running a prison.
I can't remember what you said. You were what? You were a warden or something?
Nothing so high and mighty. I was matron of the women's ward. You look like the sort who might have spent some time in the pen, back in the day. You ever do time?
I had my share of trouble, but I never landed in K-State.
I got a job for you. Larson was on a run yesterday. Passed through Marion Fork, said he saw someone. Young woman looked like, but he only caught a glance.
Get back to work.
He stopped to look around, but he never found her.
don't. I'm getting to work. Is he sure?
Larson's been doing this long as you. He knows a person from a freak.
Stop!
But you got a knack for this. You head over there and find her before the freaks do.
I'll see what I can do. But look, Tuck, I want the rest of my credits for Leon.
You bring me warm bodies, I'll give you all the credits you can spend. I gotta go find Wheeler. Someone's looking at a night in the shack.
Okay.
What do you want, Drifter?
What's your problem?
One of my men escaped a Ripper camp over by Iron Butte. Got tortured, like they always do. But this time they kept asking me if you knew about it. Two bikers, two men, asking me if you'd ever seen them or heard of them.
A lot of bikes around here. What's it got to do with me?
The Ripper called them mongrels. How many drifters still flying colors around here? As if that shit matters. If you ask me, you got a price on your head. How's it feel to be on the other side?
Now, why don't you just show me what you got, because I don't have time for your bullshit.
Whatever you say, Deke.
What else can I do for you? Need anything else? Find me if you need anything else.
Now I just gotta figure out who I'm gonna give this to. We can't head north until I get better gear. Tucker it is. Hey, Tuck.
You get my drugs from Leon?
Yeah. Cope wanted me to sell to him, but I know who my friends are.
Huh, you got that right. Go see Alki. I heard Larson brought in a stash of shotguns and rifles. Maybe he's got something you can use.
How's it going?
Wait a sec, I got it.
How's it going?
Deke, you there?
Boozer, why the hell aren't you in your damn bunk?
I couldn't sleep. Remember what I said back in the tunnel? Don't go up there, Deke. It's making you crazy.
Boozer, I go up there because there's freaks out there. I kill them here, I kill them there. Bounties are all the same to me.
Then what are the tulips for, huh? I saw him, Deke. Here on the table. This morning. The same one she had at the wedding. I remember.
I'm not gonna... Listen, Boozer, get some rest. I gotta go. Deacon out.
Tulips, Boozer.
Get it right.
This is Radio Free Oregon. The truth shall set you free. Black helicopters have been spotted in the skies. You might have seen them. Heard them. Thought you were losing your mind. But you're not. They're real. this world. But it ain't happening. Not on my watch. And don't go running towards them, thinking they're gonna save your ass. Any man wearing a uniform worth a damn died more than 2 years ago. These men, they'll shoot you on sight. This is Mark Copeland for Radio Free Oregon. Don't believe the lies.
Jesus. Cope, they're not trying to reclaim shit. You don't have a damn clue what you're talking about. Except, yeah, they will shoot you on sight. Lucky guy. Another bounty.
St. John, stop by the hot springs when you can.
Needed this. Tucker, I hear you. St. John out. That's it. Let's see what I can do.
Tucker to Deacon St. John. Are you listening? I talked to Alki the other day, some of the other men. I know you've been doing runs for the camp. I just wanted to say thank you. Deacon St. John, this is Tucker. Like I said before, I haven't seen Boozer's sweet face around these last few days. You sure he's all right?
This is Deacon. Boozer's fine. Like I said, he's just been busy.
Runs for that son of a bitch, Copeland, no doubt. I get the feeling he doesn't like me much. Boozer, I mean.
Okay.
Like I said, man, this old lady, Deacon out. Need this? got you. A lot of ammo left. Yeah, not bad. Ammo's gone. Scrap. Got it. Can use this. Yeah. this man I'm tracking down. Who we kill?
Why do you care? It's just another bounty job, isn't it?
Now look, I don't care. I just want to know their names. Who, Cope?
One of them is a man named Randall. Been with the camp almost a year. I didn't know the other two. You want me to ask?
No, I guess not.
You find that son of a bitch, you radio me. Copeland out.
That's it. Which way? Still got...
There he is! Silver helmet, red gas tank. That's him. Where are you going?
Shit!
You can't get away!
So you thought you'd ride into Copeland's camp, shoot the place up, that about right? Kill a few folks, take some shit, and just ride out like you just don't chop it anymore.
Go to hell, Drifter! Copeland can suck on it, you hear me? Damn it!
Come on.
What did you do, you son of a bitch? No.
Yeah, well, Cope kind of frowns on that. Not a fan of it myself, if you want to know the truth. Give drifters a bad name. What if you'd shot Manny? You know, who'd fix my bike then? Stupid piece of shit.
Screw you! You are Copeland's toadies, you little bitch! That's what you are, you little bitch!
Cope, it's done. I got him.
You
Mark
tell
down these coordinates and send your man out here.
Is he alive?
Yeah, he's alive. Though I won't promise you how long he's gonna stay that way. Deacon out. Loser, you there? Just calling to check up on you.
Yeah, Deke, I'm here.
Hang in there, buddy. As soon as we get that arm patched up, we're riding north, just like you said.
I hope so. God, I miss you on the road.
You just work on getting better. I still got some work to do on the bike, and we gotta stock up on some gear. But once you're patched up, we're out of here. Deacon out. Okay, this is it. Yeah. Oh, this camp is gonna be crawling. Yeah.
Deke, you there? Did you say you were heading north?
Booze man, no. You know I wouldn't ride north without you.
Yeah, I know. I just kinda out of it.
Well, third-degree burns will do that to you.
Yeah. So, take care of the rest, I know. Deke, it means a lot to me.
I'll take care of her. Boozer, just get some rest. Deacon out.
How'd you like that? Huh? Come on, you son of a bitch, come on!
St. John, this is Copeland. I haven't seen Boozer in a few days. used to do runs for me is all. I know you ride with him. Tried to radio him, can't seem to reach him. Well, you see him, you tell him to swing by and say hello to Cope. Much appreciated. Copeland out.
Okay, one nest done. How many more you got? Okay. Okay. Oh, there's gotta be a nest in this shack. Oh yeah, a nest. Okay, you boys just keep right on sleeping. Don't pay no attention to me. Come on, boys and girls. Let's do this. Fuel can. Oh, warehouse. Yeah, that looks like the kind of place you want to call home, yeah? God damn it, would you all shit yourself at once? Jesus Christ. Goddamn freaks. What the hell are you doing in here? Huh? Yeah. This place is a death trap. Getting kind of cold out here. Yeah. Right on target. Okay, gotta be careful, gotta be careful. It'll warm you up. Come on, fellas. Let's drop.
Boozer, it's done. I cleared those nests. Should be less freaks on the mountain from now on.
Hey, Deke, how'd it go? Were there a lot of them?
Nah, it wasn't too bad. That's why I wanted to take them on while it's dark out. Some of them were strong as hell, though.
Yeah, cold makes them stronger.
Yeah, Boozer. I knew that.
Thanks for doing that, Deke.
Get some shut-eye, Boozer. Deacon out.
Get out of my way!
Oh, I'm just gonna close my eyes for a bit. Okay, let's go.
That's it. Let's see. Should work. Still here. How many years is it gonna take before all of this is finally gone? Nice refugee camp. Yeah, well, better off out in the shit. Nero couldn't protect you from a goddamn thing.
Ian.
Here we go. Good. Not here. You got that? You feed wherever the hell you want, but not here. This camp is mine.
Emergency!
Not yours.
Emergency! This refugee camp 13 Delta. This is Refugee Jack.
Run! Tell
Shut
them!
up, I'm trying!
They gotta pick us up! Now!
Shut up, I'm trying! Repeat, this is Refugee Camp 13 Delta. We're being overrun. Do you read me?
Give me that!
What are you doing? Let's go!
Give me
Let's go!
radio! Mayday! We're being overrun!
Any of you left? How many? I gotta reload. That's the last of them. Hey, babe. I cleaned them out. They won't be bothering you no more. Hey, me again.
Deacon, I gotta tell you something.
It's okay. It's just my arm.
You told me that we shouldn't come back, and I didn't listen to you. I mean, I knew that it was getting worse, but
None of us knew it was gonna blow up like this fast.
you don't understand. I don't know what I would do if I lost you. This is my fault.
Hey, I was losing anyone. I made a promise. Remember?
Deacon, wait!
Sarah, come on.
There's a kid here. Hey, gotta find your parents, okay? Hey, come on. Oh, she stabbed me. I don't know. I don't think it's that bad.
Okay, look. Just hold this here as long as you can. Right?
I don't think so. I think I can walk.
Okay, good enough. Almost there. 2 hours ago, this place was calling the feds.
Yeah, they must have evacuated.
Yeah. They must have bugged out. Yeah, she's burning up. The knife must have nicked her kidney or something. She's turning septic. How you doing, little sister?
So stupid. It was this little kid. This goddamn little kid.
Big goddamn knife.
Hey, help me.
Oh, shit.
Hey, Mom. You don't want to be when we come through? We gotta get to the roof, flag down one of those choppers. All right. See if you can rest over here. Hey, easy.
She reminded me so much of my little sister, you know? Because we used to play that hide-and-seek game all the time. And she would just hide her head in her coat just like that.
I've been cutting my name, but nothing like that. She's burning up. Jesus. Look at him. We gotta move. We ain't going that way. Come on. All right. Hey, sweetheart, can you move?
Boozer. Yeah, I got her. Go find us a way out. Okay, everyone hold up. Easy, easy. What are you thinking? Okay. You get his attention. I'll try to sneak up behind him, okay? It's nothing. Go. I got this, go!
Hold on, don't fuck you! Yeah, we see you got guns, goddammit. Stop shooting!
Sir? Hey! I'm unarmed.
Get out!
Now listen to me. My girl's out there, she's been stabbed. We're just trying to get to the roof.
Get out!
There's a helicopter
You
waiting.
killed her!
So listen.
You killed my wife!
Oh, no. Look, I didn't know anything about your wife being killed. I'm sorry, sir. No, do anything! You didn't do anything!
You killed my wife! You killed my wife! You killed her! Stop!
Oh, Jesus.
Deke, what happened to you? What's wrong?
Let's go.
Wait, we need help. She's been wounded.
What's wrong with her?
Well, she's not. Whatever the hell's going on out there, she's been stabbed.
I can't take it anymore.
Oh, okay. Listen, O'Brien. If we don't get her to a hospital, she's going to die.
There are no more hospitals.
Oh, come on. No more
Hospitals, you got doctors, you got triage, you got a MASH unit.
Oh, look, I'm just a grad student, okay? I got volunteered for this. I'm not even supposed to be out here.
O'Brien.
Okay. Shit. I've only got room for 2 of you. You're overweight, okay? I can only take 2 of you, 2.
Come on, help me. Come on. All right, sweetheart. It's okay.
You're gonna be all right.
I got her.
You're gonna be right. Okay, Boozer, let's go. We gotta get on that
Hold
guy.
on.
We gotta get on that
I
shot.
heard what he said. There's only room for 2 on that chopper. Go. Go with her. I'll be okay. Look, I've been through worse shit than this before. You know?
Yeah, we have. Where are you going?
What?
Where?
Refugee camp, west of Three Finger Jack.
No.
Boozer is never gonna make it without me.
I want this back.
You coming?
No.
Deke!